Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to align text in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, obviously I'm going to open my post over here. Obviously this can go with either pages and posts, both of them. So I'm going to open my post which I have already. And once you open that, this is the WordPress editor and we all know that how it looks like. So here you can see that my title is in the center alignment. And if you see my paragraph is all at the left side. So if I click on this, you can see at the top we have that option over here, align text, text center and right. So you can see that if I click on this, it will move. But there is one more way which I can show you. So what you need to do, go back to your dashboard and after that what you can do, go to appearance and open customize. Once you open that, this is my website over here. And obviously the process for both are very similar. If you go ahead and start doing your website select by select, and individually aligning that, this would take a lot of time. So how you can do that, go to customize and at the bottom you will see additional CSS. Click on this option and here we are going to code which is very similar to other but very simple also. So we are going to change paragraph over here. So these are the paragraph, as you can see, body para, you can also say that. So I'm going to write that over here, P, and after that enter open bracket, as you can see over here, enter. After that we are going to write text align and you can see we have some suggestion already available over here. You can enter that. After that write colon and let's say if I want to move all at right, and you can see everything will move right. So this is how you can do it, everything all at once. And obviously this is all for para, right? So you can do with body paragraph and headings also. So if I write over here H1, so you can see only headings will move. This can do anything by just one click over here. You can go with the headings, you can go with the paragraph, you can also go with the body paragraph. If I write body over here, so you can see everything will move to the right side. So this is how you can do it, and this is one of the best way to do it in my opinion, to move everything. And obviously you can go with the center alignment and left alignment, depend what you want, right? So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.